The new law year opened today with a series of ceremonial activities held across the member states and territories of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court, the ECSC. The official opening was hosted by the Commonwealth of Dominica under the theme, "The ECSC, Justice that Endures, Anchored in Independence, Strengthened through Trust." Locally, a church service was held at the St. George's Anglican Church, followed by a formal procession and a special sitting of the court. In her address, Acting Chief Justice, Her Ladyship, the Honorable Justice Margaret Price Findlay, reaffirmed the judiciary's commitment to justice, integrity, and independence, noting that public confidence in the courts remains vital to national stability.
In the past year, the ECSC has continued to deliberately build upon its institutional frameworks, guided by a clear objective: to enhance the effectiveness, efficiency, and overall quality of justice delivered to the people of the Eastern Caribbean. These efforts have been strategically directed towards technological and infrastructural advancement, procedural and policy reform, capacity building, and meaningful community outreach.
Justice Price Findlay emphasized the need for continued professionalism, impartiality, and accountability within the judiciary while adapting to the changing needs of society. She acknowledged challenges such as case backlogs and limited resources, but commended judicial officers and court staff for their dedication. The Acting Chief Justice also highlighted ongoing judicial reforms, modernization efforts, and initiatives aimed to improving access to justice, particularly for vulnerable groups.
This year, you were apprised of a new artificial intelligence transcription service, FTR Justice Cloud, for which we commenced installment in early 2024 in courtrooms across several of our member states and territories. I am happy to announce that the ECSC has embarked upon procuring an upgrade of the FTR Justice Cloud service, which will significantly advance the court's recording and transcription capabilities, enhancing both the reliability of our records and the efficiency with which judgments may be produced. Additionally, the court plans to enhance its institutional analytic capacity through the strengthening of its statistical unit, thereby improving data collection and analysis to better inform policy decisions, resource allocation, and strategic planning.
She called on all justice sector stakeholders to work collaboratively to strengthen the administration of justice and safeguard the independence of the court. As the new law year 2026 begins, the judiciary has pledged to deliver justice without fear or favor, reinforcing its role as a pillar of democracy and the rule of law. Christina John, GBN News.